Ever wondered why your stomach growls so loudly when you're hungry? That rumbling sound isn't actually your stomach. It's your intestines. When your stomach is empty, your brain tells your digestive system to clean up. This creates waves of muscle contractions called peristalsis, which move leftover food and gas around, causing that growling noise. It's like your body's way of saying, "Hey, I'm ready for more food." Next time your stomach growls, just know it's working hard. Follow us to uncover more weird and wonderful body facts.